Hi, I'm Ian and I'm a member of Hema's Alpha Mapping program. In this video, we'll look at how to save a waypoint and add favourites in the Hema Nav software. A waypoint is a specific location on a map and can be used for planning and routing purposes. Firstly, open the Hema Nav software on your device. Tap the screen once and use the search function to find the location where you'd like to drop a waypoint. In this example, I want to search for Zika Spur track in the Victorian High Country and place a waypoint on a specific location on that track. Select Zika Spur. I can search along the track by scrolling, find the location I wish to add the waypoint to, and press and long hold will now form a waypoint. On the screen I can add to favourites, save as a favourite, and we now have that saved. I can edit that favourite by pressing the edit button. I can change the name or I can remove it from favourites. In this case I want to keep it with the current name and keep it as a favourite. To locate your waypoint at a later time, tap the screen once to bring up the menus, tap the search button, and now tap the heart icon, which is favourites. This will bring you to your saved favourites, and you can now select the waypoint to view, edit, navigate to, or start a new track. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informative. You can learn more about Hema Nav software at hemamaps.com.